Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what have I got. It's a radiator guard from Architect, and this is a aluminium radiator guard. You can see it says Architect Aprilia RS 457 aluminium radiator guard, and it costs 4,699 rupees. So you will get other radiator guards which will be much lesser in price, but this one is very good, and because it is aluminium, it absorbs heat and also is very less in weight. Let me open it and show it to you how it looks like. So this is how it looks. It has a Architect parts branding to it, and it has 3 clamps where it will be fitted on the motorcycle. So I am here at HeadGear Riding Store in Himayatnagar, Hyderabad. If you want to purchase this, you can visit this place. So as of now, my bike is being opened, so let's go ahead and install this on my motorcycle. This is the next day. Yesterday night was too late and I couldn't shoot the installation of this radiator guard. Let me show you how it looks. So can you see the radiator guard installed over here? And it is a very high quality product, guys. You can see the Architect parts branding over here, and it has fitted nicely. It is mounted on 3 different bolts, and they did not have to remove the fairing. It is mounted internally. Let me show you from the other side as well. So this is how it looks from here. I think this is the best looking and high quality radiator guard which Architect has made for the RS 457. Now from last 1 year my bike was running without the radiator guard, and I thought it is a good upgrade to get the radiator protected with a good quality radiator guard. Hence I went for this one. And all of you guys know that RS 457 does not have an extended mud guard, so I installed a extended mud guard on this. Even then there are chances that stones might hit on long ride, and if your radiator gets punctured on a long ride, you are done with the ride. So if you guys want to get radiator guard installed and want a high quality radiator guard, then go for the Architect parts. It's really good. I like the quality of this product, and now my bike is protected. So yeah, that's all about it in this video. If you found the content helpful, do give it a thumbs up and post your thoughts in the comment section below. And also subscribe to my channel because it is free for you, but definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.